God!
Oh my word.
And this trees.
Man, the shocks and standing up.
Yeah. He's free.
Yeah. I thought I would have been destroyed. Unless you know we wouldn't make it home and mommy got here.
It's just so ridiculous.
Look at where that came from.
Oh my God, that thing!
Split. I said let me go for your but I was in the car anyway. I was sitting on the thing. I had to come in the car to charge the phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's amazing what can survive.
Look at the water right now.
Was that a gate?
But it's amazing
Water
that
came
all walls still stand.
Yeah.
Water. These ain't going up in the house. Or so it looks. Where is that guy?
So how do you run toward water coming in your house? You see?
Oh my God, a hot piece of short. Okay, but I'm going to go to deep now. Look at that tree. Look at them, was he going someplace?
Jeez, I can't remember the last time I saw this much destruction.
Go to church.
Oh yeah, the roof came off on this side.
Well, you got all. That's what you see up there. The roof half off the church.
Oh,
And these little roof on in Elizabeth Estate.
oh,
Most of them still
They
standing.
survived, yeah.
I cannot. What happened? I can only imagine what happened to the school.
Yeah, a lot of the trees are down in the school. You can see it from the road.
They can do that over the weekend.
Did any of these pine trees fall?
No.
I surprised. Now you told a couple of them to come down. Well, this poison fence come right down. Your fence down next to your school. See, left, oh? You know that the fifth spot is. Oh, this the whole wall when they try to reconstruct. Come down. One side of it came down. They needed to build a new wall, though. They tried to.
They was gonna build a new wall. That was just temporary. Because you know people don't start talking about this, putting the food out here where the rich people are, that kind of thing. But Elizabeth Estate is right here, so they'll benefit from it as well.
That little food store will suffer.
The two of them will suffer.
But this one here was ready to close.
Oh, you guys want to say anything for the camera?
This is Hurricane Mathew. This is coming close to the aftermath.
Dad?
This is the aftermath of Hurricane Mathew.
And Matthew's supposed to be one of Jesus' disciples, but I think this one ran away.
This one got lost in the midst. But no, it didn't do us too bad. At least our area, we're blessed.
I ain't see no
And this
child
is my
yet.
son's first
Honey, this is
acknowledgement of a
Oh.
hurricane. So he's now beginning to see what his home looks like. Cause him and his mom slept at the sister house overnight.
Oh.
Wow, where you going, Pop? You should know you know. Don't screw you in the down, honey.
Hi. 252. Yes, sir.
Well, I don't even sure not even that they should know. I think we've been here long now.
Oh my God. The park is
He should have known.
Stop right here on the car. A truck coming through.
flooded.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Don't move.
Oh wow. That man with the bow tie down. Get a look at that.
That he move.
No cars could come through. Only thing. The security
Okay,
car.
honey. Okay,
The
okay.
security car was trying to make it. Oh wow, water's upside down.
It was high in there.
Oh yeah.
Going down to the drain.
That's a light bulb.
That's a light pole down. All the trees down. But see, luckily the lot's on the corner.
Oh God.
None of these came down. I'm surprised.
The project is for cleaning them out.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, look at that house.
What happened to that house? Only that tree. I don't see no tile come off the roof. Only over here.
Mom, those
See
tiles.
over here?
Oh yeah, they lost some.
Those tiles have been around for almost 20 years. I think most of them aren't going anywhere.
You know the big trucks came out looking. This water here was high too.
How is that little tree still standing?
And the grape trees are still standing.
Yeah, they kept well. See, that tree was right next to Lester County.
Dad, can we just go home?
No, we're getting on the back.
Oh boy. My sea grapes. My.
See, baby, still standing. Wow. Then they gotta go fix them back. Huh? The fence, I just have to fix that back. No. My yard ain't open for the woods. You see, I don't like no one. I like privacy in my yard. You crazy? You can live in bed, you know, and anybody go walk through your yard.
Man, look at that whole bougainvillea. Mom, look at the bougainvillea.
They don't clean up the yard. They sneak in the house.
Just that boy, honey, Christopher.
No, Christopher, what's his name?
Mathew wasn't there.
I don't remember his name.
He's walking.
Second son. Kim 7.